In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Stripe account safely using the dashboard. This guide is up to date and will ensure you follow the right steps to close your account without any hassle. First, you'll need to log into the Stripe dashboard with the specific account you intend to close. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, as once you proceed with the closure, this process is irreversible. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Stripe account. Within Settings, you'll find a subsection labeled Business. Click on this, and then look for Account Details. This area contains all the pertinent information about your account, and it's the central hub for making significant changes, such as closure. As you scroll to the bottom of the Account Details page, you'll see the option to Close Account. However, before you proceed, it's crucial to ensure that you've managed any outstanding financial details. This means you need to have any positive balance completely paid out to you and resolve any negative balances that might exist. Stripe requires this as a prerequisite for closure, so take a moment to double-check the status of your finances linked to this account. Once you've handled the financial elements and are ready to close your account, click on the Close Account button. A vital point to remember here is that this action is permanent. Once you close your account, it's gone for good. You won't be able to reopen it, and you'll lose access to crucial functionalities like customer payments, refunds, disputes, and any balance operations. So, it's essential to make sure that closing the account is indeed what you want to do and aligns with your current business needs. Before finalizing your decision and closing your account, consider exporting your transaction history if you haven't already. Your account holds valuable data, including payments, customers, and subscriptions. Once your account is closed, you won't have access to these records through Stripe anymore. So, it's wise to export this information for your records and potential future needs. You might need this data for accounting purposes, customer service inquiries, or tax reporting. So take advantage of the opportunity to save it. To summarize, ensure that you are clear on your decision, handle any financial balances, and export your data before clicking that final button. Closing your Stripe account is a straightforward process, but it's important to approach it with careful consideration to avoid any setbacks or regrets. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out.